as we went out, okay, we're headed back. They've been out with the snowplow once, so we're at least gonna make it back to our road where we might get stuck. But I plowed that out yesterday. So, wife's behind me with the other pickup. Well, thank you, State of Montana, for getting that bridge plowed out. We just barely made it through to get out south, so this is not the normal route we're taking here. This is the long way. But state generally has their shit together better than the county. Right, Richard?
Yep.
Yeah. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Might make it home today.
Yeah.
Aren't you happy?
Yep.
Okay. So, yeah, just 2018, having the time of our lives, aren't we, Richard?
Yep.
Yep. Now we're back on our road. It's treacherous. I bladed this all off yesterday, but it blowed back in pretty good here. Can't see very well. But we're still going. Through the gate. Oh, sakes, we came up to rescue you, Brown. Yes. Load up. Get in there. Come on. Come on. Mom and Dad are gone, so we're watching the dog. Oh, she's ready to go. Go lick Richard. Very good. Got the Brown. Got the Richard. Got the Richard. Calves are full of retard today. They didn't find their second bale, but we're just pointing that out to them now. So we're pretty well home. I think we'll make it. Thanks for watching.